the best features about graduate medical education, Kaiser Permanente, is that you get the best of both community medicine as well as academic training in one medical center.
It is an academic neurology program in every sense of the word. We get to help patients from all over Southern California, from as far north as Bakersfield to as far south as San Diego. And as a tertiary referral center, we get to see all of the most complex cases throughout different types of neurology.
All these rare cases, all these weird diseases where no one knows what they have, they are often sent to us for evaluation here at Los Angeles Medical Center, and in acute situations are transferred to the inpatient unit. So the breadth of clinical neurology that you're exposed to is really, really phenomenal.
We really have a really good balance of autonomy as well as oversight from the attendings to really become comfortable as we're developing our training. There's a good balance of working and seeing patients, but also time to read and learn about everything that we're seeing in the hospital.
The mentorship is amazing because you work one-on-one with attending in terms of seeing the patient, learning how to do procedures, learning how to manage different medical conditions. And if you choose to do research, we have one healthcare system and one electronic medical record system. So we have a lot of patient data that we can use for research. You can work on one-on-one in terms of from drafting the research proposal to all the way to writing up the manuscript and publishing it.
One thing that is the most important and most special for me is how we get to enjoy getting to know our patients throughout the time that we're here. We get to spend a lot of time with them in clinic, but also sometimes meet them in the emergency room and get to continue following them outside in the clinic. So it's been really great to see patients over the continuity of my time here, and it's been a really enjoyable experience.
The training allows us to be very prepared for the real world, but I think more than that, the relationships that I developed with my peers and with all of my attendings in the department, I think is something truly invaluable and very special.
The culture of our program is one that is warm, accepting, and one that fundamentally embraces resident-driven projects.
I think we're really invested in our residents' education and their careers. We really try to ensure that the program allows them to be successful neurologists moving forward, as well as obtain the fellowships that they feel like they need in order to move forward with their careers.
Our center is certified as level 4, which is the highest granted among epilepsy programs. We have both pediatric and adult epilepsy monitoring units. We collaborate with multidisciplinary teams. Current advanced neurodiagnostics often help us succeed in localizing seizure focus and provide epilepsy surgery as a potential cure for intractable epilepsy. We work very closely with our residents.
Everyone here is extremely approachable, which I found really important for me. It was a good fit because it breeds a relaxed learning environment and working atmosphere. Residency can be a stressful time, I think, anywhere that you go, which is why it's so important, I think, to be at a place where you feel comfortable and happy.
We're the first responders on call to emergencies, and we develop a lot of confidence doing that very early in our residency. And then also in the clinic, we're really allowed to make our own decisions. I feel it prepares us very well for.
There's no shortage of seeing interesting cases and getting the appropriate mentoring and being able to reach out easily to someone to help you take the best care of those patients as possible and to learn from them.
I would say this would be a good fit for you if you're looking for an academic experience with a small group mentoring environment where you can not only develop academic rigor, you can also develop friends for life and very close mentoring relationships with your advisors.